Are you looking for opportunities to save and invest a part of your income? Will traditional life insurance plans serve the purpose? LIC Bima Shree is a plan created specially for high net worth individuals. Will this plan be a part of your investment portfolio and help to grow your wealth in the long run? In this video, let us find out how the plan works and find out whether it is a good investment option to include it in your investment portfolio. Let's get started. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. LIC Bima Shree is a participating individual life assurance savings plan that is non-linked. The main features are, and the plan is created specially for a high net worth individual. The policy term is 14, 16, 18 or 20 years. Premium can be paid regularly at yearly, half-yearly, quarterly or monthly. Now let us look at the benefits of LIC Bima Shree. Death benefits: sum assured on death and accrued guaranteed addition and loyalty addition shall be payable, where sum assured on death is defined as higher of 125% of basic sum assured or 7 times the annualized premium or 105% of total premiums paid. Next, survival benefit. It depends on the policy term. For policy term 14 years, 30% of sum assured on 10th and 12th policy anniversary. For policy term 16 years, 35% of basic sum assured on 12th and 14th policy anniversary. For policy term 18 years, 40% of sum assured on 14th and 16th policy anniversary. And for policy term 20 years, 45% of basic sum assured on 16th and 18th policy anniversary. Next, maturity benefit. For policy term 14 years, 40% of basic sum assured. For policy term 16 years, 30% of basic sum assured. For policy term 18 years, 20% of basic sum assured. And for policy term 20 years, 10% of basic sum assured. Next, we shall analyze the advantages and disadvantages of LIC Bima Shree. Advantages: guaranteed addition. Riders can be added. Policyholder have the option to defer the survival benefit. Option to take the death benefit and maturity benefit in installment. Rebate for high sum assured. Next, disadvantages: loyalty additions are non-guaranteed. There might be a mismatch in the survival benefit and the actual requirement. So far, we discussed the basic features and benefits of the plan. This will not give you any insights into the returns. To figure out the returns, let us work out the internal rate of return for benefit illustration taken from the policy brochure. The potential return of LIC Bima Shree can be compared with other investment returns. This will guide you in decision making. For example, a 30-year-old male buys LIC Bima Shree for a sum assured of rupees 10 lakhs. The premium paying term is 10 years and the policy term is 14 years. The annualized premium is rupees 1,08,584. The survival benefit of rupees 3 lakhs is available to the policyholder twice, and final maturity benefit including all the bonuses is available at the end of 14 years. It is assumed that the projected investment rate of return that LIC will be able to earn throughout the term of the policy will be 4% per annum or 8% per annum. The projected investment rate of return is not guaranteed and they are not upper or lower limit of what you might get back, as the value of the policy is dependent on number of factors including actual future investment performance. The final maturity value under 4% scenario is 9.25 lakhs. The IRR calculation results in 4.11%. The final maturity value under 8% scenario is 11.4 lakhs. The IRR calculation results in 5.62%. The returns under LIC Bima Shree under both scenarios will not help you in reaching the required corpus for your goals. The returns are lower than the economic inflation rate. This is the reason behind the shortfall in achieving the corpus. LIC Bima Shree offers life cover, survival benefit and maturity benefit to the policyholder. However, the returns are not beneficial to an investor. Now let us work out a scenario where the same premium paid under LIC Bima Shree is invested in an alternate investment avenue. A pure term policy for a sum assured of rupees 10 lakhs would cost rupees 8,000 per annum. The premium paying term is 5 years and the policy term is 14 years. In the earlier illustration, the premium paying term is 10 years. So in the next 5 years, rupees 1.08 lakhs is available for investment. For investment, any debt instrument or equity instrument can be chosen based on your risk tolerance. The risk profile is high for equity when compared to debt instrument. Here, ELSS fund is chosen as an investment option. The corpus accumulated under the ELSS fund is withdrawn fully at the end of 10 years. Capital gains tax is payable at the time of exiting the fund. Tax calculation is given here. After tax maturity value of rupees 19.45 lakhs is invested in a 7% return instrument. From this investment, rupees 3 lakhs is withdrawn twice, similar to the survival benefit under LIC Bima Shree. At the end of 14 years, the amount left in the investment is withdrawn fully to match the maturity benefit under LIC Bima Shree. For term insurance and ELSS investment, the IRR works out to be 9.25%. Under this alternate investment, you get life cover, survival benefit and maturity benefit, and at the same time you get better returns than LIC Bima Shree. The IRR analysis shows that to get an inflation beating return, it is wise to invest separately. Clubbing insurance and investment will not be beneficial in either way. Here is our final verdict. LIC Bima Shree ensures periodic payouts and life insurance coverage during the policy term. The periodic payment fails to empower you to meet important milestones because the return on investment is lower than the inflation rate. Despite paying a hefty sum of money as a premium, the family would be still underinsured. Buying LIC Bima Shree neither gives you adequate life insurance protection nor the best investment option. All insurance cum savings plan involves high cost and lack transparency. Alternatively, opting for pure term insurance for life cover and investing separately for life goals is ideally the best route. When selecting your investment option, it is essential to align them with your life objective and risk appetite. If you find difficulties in choosing the right investment instruments, consult a professional financial planner for a comprehensive financial plan. A detailed review of LIC Bima Shree is available as a blog post in our website, and the link is given in the description. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming Enlightening Investment Webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.